Hello everyone. Today I will give introduction about our project in Factory IO. My name is Muhammad Saad Farhamtari and I did my project with my friends Mazenalowais and Muhammad Asnadi. So we have in our project 4 sensor, 2 diffuse sensor and 2 vision sensor, and we have 2 main line, and we have 2 arm actuator and 2 pusher. We have 4 remover for the box and 1 emitter. And now let's look to the control panel. We have 4 push button, the green one for the start and the red one for the stop and the yellow one for the reset our LCD counter. And we have 4 counters, one for the large box and one for the medium box and one for the green box and one for the blue box. And we have in the top the emergency button, which we connected to a warning light and alarm siren. And this is our wiring diagram, and you can see the sensor on the left and the actuator on the right, and in the middle you can see the input and the output of our sensor and our actuator. And you can easily identify each input and output for each sensor and actuator. And thank you for
Hello, I am Mazenalowais and we'll take a look into our factory project now. So we'll start the project and we can see 2 blue materials going ahead. So this second sensor will detect the blue material and the arm goes on and the 2 material goes to the conveyor. And this is the medium box. As we can see, it goes to the last conveyor belt. The first pusher will not detect anything, the sensor for it. This is the sensor, the last sensor detects the medium box, and as we can see, the pusher works. You can see it now. The sensor detects and the pusher goes on. Also another medium box now. The pusher goes on. And this is the large box, and the sensor detects it and the pusher goes on. Another large box. As we can see, many boxes goes to the last conveyor belt. Now we see the blue material. The second sensor detects it and the arm goes on and to the conveyor and to the remover. The green detects the sensor detects the green material and the arm goes on. Under time, sensor detects it, arms go on. And this is the program, and this is the factory how it's working. We go to the control panel, we see the counters work, and we stop the project. And that's it. Thank you.
My name is Mohammed Asnadi. I'm going to talk about our PLC program. In the first, I'm going to talk about the first 7 network for us. It's the same function. It's for the bells. We separate it because we want to know if one of the bells is not working, and we use OR gate, stop button, and emergency button negative because it's normally closed. And for the reset, it's start button. And here we use the green light as the output because when it's work, the green light will work. and the other output is the build, and we use SR latch. And now I'm gonna move to the other network for our project. Here for its blue sensor we use off delay timer, because when the object move from the sensor, we don't want the arm go back, so we use off delay. And for the blue sensor, 2 second. In the green sensor you use the same function as the blue sensor of delay timer, uh, 2 second, because we don't want the arm back to the. Here we use SR latch for stop button to make the red light work, and the reset is the start button. Here we use retentive on delay timer for the pusher. When the large box is work, the retentive on delay is working some time until the object is in the front with the pusher to make in the same position. And for the rest we use on delay timer, and the input for this on delay timer is the Q. Here for emergency button we use for warning light and the alarm. Here we use 4 counter for each sensor, green sensor, blue sensor, and large box and medium box. It's count up. And in the end we use the reset button for the light yellow.